This is the Cinelog30 version 3. With a 4S 550 milliamp battery, it's 249.1 grams. When I don't need to be sub 250, I fly mine with the camera hood and an 850 milliamp battery, which gets me over 7 minutes of flight time. A lightweight design like this means less noise and longer flights with those efficient 1404 3850 kV motors. There is a mount for a naked GoPro on this camera hood. The camera mount is isolated from vibrations with 4 soft rubber grommets, so you can count on smooth footage and clean gyro data from your DJI 04 Pro. The plastic prop protectors do have some flex to absorb impacts if you crash. You do get an extra set with the drone, and replacements are just $5. It does come with an LED light strip, if bling is your thing. The lights are pointed downward, so the light won't bleed into your footage. Another very cool feature of this drone is the 6-in-1 board. They've crammed a ton of functionality into this custom circuit board, which saves space and weight. GEPRC really had to innovate to make the Cinelog30 as lightweight as it is without sacrificing performance and features. If you're flying a Cinelog30, drop a comment and let me know how you like it. I know a lot of pilots are eyeing this one, and I'm sure they'd love to hear your experience.